Lenovo's refreshed Slim 7 and 7i Gen 7 notebooks come in 14 and 16-inch configurations with modern performance hardware. These laptops feature the latest mobile processors from Intel and AMD, as well as discrete graphics options from Intel and NVIDIA. These laptops are expected to launch in May and June 2022, with a starting price of $1,199. Lenovo has today announced refreshes to its slim lineup of notebook laptops. The Lenovo Slim 7i and Slim 7 in 14 and 16-inch sizes have all hit a 7th generation, bringing some significant updates to performance and features. Lenovo says these laptops are built for essential performance, allowing you to create on the go. The smaller models come in cloud gray or storm gray colors, while the larger laptops come in storm gray only. Focusing first on the 14-inch Slim 7 and 7i devices, there will actually only be the Intel Slim 7i version available in North America. Other geographical regions should be able to get their hands on the AMD-based Slim 7 14 Gen 7, though it will be called the Yoga Slim 7 Pro in those other markets. On the Slim 7i 14 Gen 7 side, you'll be able to get Intel's 12th Gen Core CPUs from either the H series or new P series, paired with up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5 to 4800 MHz dual-channel RAM, and up to 1 TB of M2 PCIe storage. This laptop is going to shred. And if you plan on some light gaming or just need some graphical acceleration to help with specialized work, you can equip either NVIDIA RTX 2050 or MX 550 discrete GPU. Otherwise, you're working with Intel Iris C integrated graphics. There are 4 14-inch displays to choose from here, all with a boosted resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, 91% screen-to-body ratio and Dolby Vision. The baseline option has a 2240x1400 resolution, 100% sRGB color, 300 nits brightness, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Moving up, you're getting into a 2880x1800 resolution. There are 2 screens with 100% sRGB color and 400 nits brightness. The only things separating them are 90 Hz and 120 Hz refresh rates. Finally, a 2.8K OLED model is available for anyone who wants the absolute best color and contrast. It hits 100% DCI-P3 color reproduction, 400 nits brightness, and it has a 90 Hz refresh rate. The bezel is super slim around all screens, and the taller aspect ratio eliminates most of the chin below. Still, Lenovo packs an full HD camera above the display, as well as an IR sensor for Windows Hello biometric logins. Built 2-watt speakers with Dolby Atmos and dual microphones take care of audio duties. Ports are fairly limited due to size. The 16-inch models listed below offer much better port selection, but you still get dual Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1 handle wireless connectivity. As for battery, you get a 61 watt-hour package that Lenovo claims can last up to 17.5 hours for full HD video playback. Take that with a grain of salt. The Intel-based Slim 7i 14 Gen 7 is expected to launch May 2022, starting at $1,199. Lenovo's larger 16-inch versions of these laptops are built with more of a focus on specialized tasks like video editing and even gaming. That's thanks to your choice of either 12th Gen Intel Core H series CPUs or AMD's Creator Edition Ryzen 6000 mobile chips, as well as discrete graphics options from Intel and NVIDIA. Yes, Intel's new RK370M discrete laptop GPU makes an appearance in the Slim 7i 16. Otherwise, you can equip the AMD models with either NVIDIA RTX 3050 or an RTX 3050 Ti, combined with either 16 or 32 gigs of LPDDR5 dual-channel RAM, and up to 1 TB of M2 PCIe storage. These laptops will handle a tough workload. Note that the Slim 7i seems to still be stuck on PCIe 3.0 storage, while the Slim 7 has made a jump to the faster PCIe 4.0 standard. Here's a better look at the specs as listed by Lenovo. These laptops have essentially the same 16-inch touch display option, though the AMD version comes with a 165 Hz refresh rate, compared to the Intel model's 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen has a 2560x1600 resolution, 500 nits brightness, 100% sRGB color, Dolby Vision, 16:10 aspect ratio, and low blue light certification. Another area where the AMD-based Slim 7 pulls away is in the camera department. You get an IR camera in both models, but the Intel version sticks with a 720p resolution for its RGB camera. The AMD model bumps that up to 1080p for a better picture. Like the 14-inch Slim 7, you get dual microphones and dual 2-watt speakers with Dolby Atmos to handle audio needs. Intel wins one back by offering up dual Thunderbolt 4 ports on the Slim 7i 16. The AMD is stuck with standard USB-C due to platform restrictions. If you have one of the best Thunderbolt 4 docks already on your desk, the Intel model makes more sense. Powering both laptops is a 75 watt-hour battery. There aren't yet any battery claims made by Lenovo, but this should be a decent pairing with the high-end CPUs and discrete graphics. Both the Intel-based Slim 7i16 Gen 7 and the AMD-based Slim 716 Gen 7 are expected to launch June 2022. The Intel version should start around $1,599, with the AMD version starting around $1,499. Guys, I think this video was interesting. If you have questions, then write in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.